The 5000 PA Robot Vacuum Mop is equipped with impressive 5000 Pascal suction power that effectively captures debris, hair, and dust from both hard floors and carpets. With a 60-day hands-free cleaning feature, this robotic vacuum includes a self-emptying dust collection system that simplifies daily maintenance. It utilizes advanced 360-degree LiDAR mapping technology to accurately navigate and clean complex home layouts, significantly boosting cleaning efficiency. This versatile device combines sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and self-emptying into one comprehensive cleaning solution, offering unmatched convenience. Users can easily personalize cleaning schedules and set up no-go zones through the intuitive smartphone app, ensuring tailored and efficient cleaning sessions. The robot vacuum is backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, providing peace of mind and reliability to users.